Hello, friends. In front of me, Yashika Jain is sitting. She is a qualified chartered accountant and she took classes from me. And when she took classes, she was so fascinated regarding stock market, regarding valuation, regarding investment banking. She decided to make her career in investment banking finance role. From that day till now, she was only dreaming of this role. She had not given any interview in audit, accounts, taxation. She was very much determined that she wants to go in finance career. Now here she is. She has been selected for investment banking role in the world's best investment banking company. Yes, friends, you heard it right. World's best investment banking company, JP Morgan in Mumbai. So I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very blessed to have students like Yashika Jain who have fulfilled her dream, and so many students will follow her because they also wants to go in the same career. So Yashika ji, how is your feeling? How what message you want to convey to all the juniors who are listening you? How you have achieved this position? And please say something about you so that we can all be excited and also follow your path to achieve this milestone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me here. Firstly, very, very thank you to you. And secondly, I would want to convey to everybody here that you all know what you want to do. It's just that you have to sit and think and gain that clarity and then start working on that with courage and determination. Because as we learn in SFM, that risk and return go together. So you have that risk of choosing only finance. I mean, you're not going for an audit or finance interview. You're going only for a auditor or a finance controller interview, and you're giving only core finance interview. So you're taking some amount of risk, but the return that you get is a job what you want to do, a satisfaction, that job satisfaction, and that high salaries that they pay, and the top management with which you speak in front end IB as you proceed further. So there is always risk when you want return. So I would only want to say that have that clarity, determination, and courage, and be bold enough to, and then also be hardworking and smart working along with it to achieve what you want to. Thank you,
So, what is
sir.
the first step to achieve this role? I think the first step must be the classes. From the class, you will
Yes.
get the motivation, and then you can decide about the future course of action. If you are getting excited about stock market, about valuations, then it means it is your career. You must excel in that.
Yes. My first step was from the classes. Obviously, I had decided if I want. I always loved stock market. Being from a Marwadi background, I was like stock market. So that is my in मेरे खून में है. So I have to do this. And apart from this, obviously Aditya Jain sir is known for this, and SFM तो है ही subject में. So I took SFM from Aditya Jain sir, and then my first DMAT. I had two DMAT accounts, and it was all a fascinating roller coaster journey, something that I always dreamt of from my SFM, from my CA. Now that I have the degree, I'm so glad that I have given multiple interviews. I faced rejections. It's common. Life has ups and downs, but you have to only learn because life teaches a lot. And just if you stop getting disheartened and start learning from what life teaches you, you will never fail in life. Even if you fail, that is your success, because after failure, only success comes to you. So that is what I would
Great,
want
great.
to say.
So, so many students and so many your followers are going to follow you in LinkedIn. Are you in LinkedIn?
Yes, sir. I have used LinkedIn
So
a lot.
you will be a star. You will be a star now. You will be a role model for all the students who wants to pursue investment banking career. So I think that you will guide them in your way so that they can also be successful. And you belongs to Hyderabad, so many students from Hyderabad also can contact me or Yashika Jain so that we can also help you all. Yashika, really you are a role model. I think that you have lots of success to achieve. And I wish that you will remember me and my students, and you will always help them to achieve their dream.
Yes, sir. Definitely. I would be very happy to help anybody.
So Yashika ji will be in Mumbai now. So she will be a role model, and many students will now got to know. that Yashika Jain is now an investment banker. She is in investment banking role. So I'm very proud of her. And I think that student like her, so determined, so positive, that now nobody can stop her. She will definitely be seen in the future. She will be a role model for not only India, entire world. She is working now in the world best investment banking firm. Hats off to Yashika Jain.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.